Introduction to Syncing Pomodoro Apps with Task Managers.
Boost your productivity by connecting Pomodoro timer apps with your task management tools. This integration helps you track time spent on tasks, focus more deeply, and organize your workload efficiently. Let's explore step-by-step how to sync these tools for a seamless workflow, using popular options like Todoist, Trello, and Asana.
Choosing compatible apps for integration.
First, select both a Pomodoro app and a task manager that support integration or automation. Many Pomodoro apps, like Focus Booster or Pomodoro, can link with task managers, such as Trello, Todoist, and Asana, through built-in features or third-party services like Zapier. Check app settings or support pages to confirm integration capabilities before proceeding.
Setting up direct integrations.
If your Pomodoro app has a direct integration, log into your Task Manager account through the app settings or integration menu. Authorize access when prompted. Choose which projects or task lists you want to import. Now, as you start Pomodoro sessions, your app will automatically pull in tasks from your chosen task manager, keeping everything up to date.
Using third-party automation tools.
If a direct link isn't available, automation platforms like Zapier or IFTTT can bridge the gap. Create a Zap or applet that connects your Pomodoro app and Task Manager. For example, you can set up a rule. When you start a timer, the matching task is marked in Todoist, or completed Pomodoro's log progress in Trello. Follow platform instructions for setup.
Maximizing your seamless workflow.
After integrating, plan your day in your Task Manager. Start Pomodoro sessions directly from imported tasks, and let completed timers update your task status automatically. Review time reports to identify productivity trends. Adjust your workflow as needed, using the synced tools to maintain focus and keep your to-dos organized and in sync.